spin the chapter's wheel.
Here is a question from carbon and its compounds. You have two carbon compounds with the molecular formula C3H6O. Name two compounds with this formula and also draw the structural formula. To solve this question, let's see the general formula of homologous series. N is the number of carbon atoms. Then the general formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 2O. Aldehyde is CnH2nO. Ketone CnH2nO. Carboxylic acid CnH2nO2. From this table, we can see that the general formula of aldehyde and ketone are the same. The question says the carbon compound has 3 carbon atoms. Hence, the answer is propanol and propanone. Propanol is CH3CH2CHO. Propanone is CH3COCH3. Both are having the same molecular formula C3H6O. The structure is given on the screen.